Welcome to the Ultimate Knowledge Quiz. Test your trivia skills across science, history, culture, and more. Are you ready to prove your knowledge? Let's get started. What is the name of the path an airplane follows during takeoff and landing? Flight path. What is the fear of holes called? Trypophobia. On the periodic table, what element is represented by the symbol Eu? Europium. What is the scientific name for a human? Homo sapiens. What is the international distress signal used in aviation? Mayday. What is the traditional name for the 6 strings on a guitar from lowest to highest pitch? What is the meaning of the acronym LASER? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. What is the national sport of Canada? Ice hockey. Canberra was chosen as the capital of Australia to avoid rivalry between which 2 larger cities? Sydney and Melbourne. Can you tell me the full name behind the acronym FIFA? Fédération Internationale de Football Association. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo. In Roman numerals, how do you write 42? What is the scientific name of this instrument? Cloud chamber. What is the name of the world's first programmable computer? ENIAC. What is the meaning of the Latin phrase, carpe diem? Seize the day. What is the name of the first book printed using a printing press with movable type? The Gutenberg Bible. What does the acronym GDP stand for? Who was the last emperor of China? Puyi. Which musical instrument has 88 keys? Piano. In which city is the Parthenon located? Athens. What sea separates Great Britain from mainland Europe? North Sea. In which country is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Italy. What is the study of insects called? Entomology. What is the scientific name for a common house cat? Felis catus. What is the strongest muscle in the human body? Masseter. What is the closest star to Earth besides the Sun? Proxima Centauri. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering the eye? Iris. What is the transparent dome-shaped structure at the front of the eye? Cornea. What is the term for a 14-line poem with a specific rhyme scheme? Sonnet. What is the world's oldest epic poem? The Epic of Gilgamesh. What is the name of the imaginary line that circles the Earth at 0 degrees latitude? Equator. Which of the following is a volcanic mountain range located in the western United States? Rocky Mountains. What is the name of the narrow landmass that connects North and South America? Isthmus of Panama. In which country was Grammarly founded? Ukraine. What is the 10th term of the sequence defined by? 60,073.